Tired of dull, dry hair that just won't bounce back? Imagine waking up to hair that feels softer, looks shinier, and actually resists damage. Our Rejuvenating Cleaner and Conditioner is designed to bring your hair back to its healthiest, glossiest prime, no matter your hair type. I've tried countless products over the years, especially working in the salon industry, and I can confidently say this formula stands out. It blends traditional oils and natural extracts with a cutting-edge bio-restorative complex that smooths every cuticle and repairs damage caused by time and styling. The result? Hair that not only looks healthier but feels stronger and more manageable day after day. What you get is more than just clean hair. This duo restores moisture to dry, brittle strands, seals in hydration, and helps reduce those pesky split ends that make hair look tired. Plus, it offers protection against future damage, so your hair stays resilient and vibrant. It's gentle enough for all hair types but especially effective if your hair needs serious repair. Using it is simple. Lather up with the cleaner, indulge with the conditioner, then rinse to reveal softer, smoother hair. Many users with thick, hard-to-manage hair swear by it, and once you try it, you'll see why. If you're serious about hair care and willing to invest in quality, this is worth a look. Ready to give your hair the treatment it deserves? Try our Rejuvenating Cleaner and Conditioner when you're ready to see real change. Your hair's healthiest, glossiest days are just a wash away.